I feel like such a beauty guru. Oh my gosh. Hey. Hello friends, it is Mad. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. And if you are new, click that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 3K, okay? Welcome to the trendiest place on the internet. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I don't really do beauty videos that much anymore, but I wanted to show you guys my everyday makeup routine for spring and just for like a fresh, glowy face look. So that's what we're gonna do today. No, this is not sponsored, but Merit sent me a ton of their products in this little sack looking thing. I've tried all of them and I really like them, so shout out Merit for being a huge part of my everyday routine. Believe it or not, when I started my channel, I wanted to be like the next beauty guru, but I'm just not into that anymore. So I'm gonna do my best to kind of thoroughly explain everything. Yeah, let's just get started with my everyday makeup routine. It's quick, it's easy, it's very much on the go, very much glowy, simple, and fresh looking. It's giving that girl vibes, okay? Though I'm not saying I'm that girl, definitely not that girl. I always start by putting my hair back. This is a cute little headband that Zitstick has sent to me. There we go. Okay, we're ready to go. So I've already done all of my skin prep and I've been trying this new moisturizer from Make Beauty. It's called the Succulent Skin Gel Cream and it's been really good as like a base primer situation. It has dimethicone in it, so it's very smoothing, but it also has this like sticky feel to it, so your makeup adheres super well. So that's what I use to moisturize. And I'm gonna put on my sunscreen now because it is the most important step. And we are using the new Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. So I've been using this product for about a month now and I am literally in love with it. It feels so lightweight. We're gonna get started with makeup. Now I used to wear like full B, cut crease, matte foundation, all of that every day, and y'all, nowadays I cannot be bothered, okay? So I always start with a random lip balm because my lips are so dry. This is like a tinted one from Glow Recipe. It's the blueberry. So I don't even really use a primer. If I do use a primer, it will usually be this Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas just on like the porous areas of my face. I always start with brows. So we're gonna be using this Merit Volumizing Brow Pomade in the color brown. I wish that the product was on this side, but the product is so small. It's definitely not like my favorite product. I wish it had more hold to it, but I just use it more for color so I don't have to fill them in with a pencil. Then I use the Ofra Don't Play Brow Gel. This stuff is awesome and it dries down. I love this e.l.f. brow lift, but the thing about it is that it doesn't dry down ever. So throughout the day, your brows are kind of like sticky. I like this one because it really sets in place and it gives you that nice fluffy brow look. I'm gonna give you guys like some life updates while I'm doing this because obviously I've been pretty MIA the past few months, really, because it's almost March. Like I haven't really been consistently posting for a few months, and that is mainly for just a few reasons, but mainly because I got a pretty major surgery and it was very intense and demanded a lot of my time. It was about end of September. I started to get really sick. I was coughing nonstop, like coughing. I was having a really hard time breathing, catching my breath. I was fatigued and really exhausted all the time. I thought I had COVID actually. I went to the doctor, got tested, a PCR and a rapid, and they both came back negative. So I was like, you know what, it's probably just a cold. They gave me some cough medicine and I was supposed to take that for a week. A week goes by and the cough progressed a lot. I could not breathe. I could barely walk 5 feet without like gasping for air. I was so scared. I'm gonna start on my foundation. I'm using this Merit Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Bone, and also
thank you for using Affirm. Your Peloton order has been placed. If you not recognize this purchase, please press 1.
Totally didn't buy a Peloton. I'm using the foundation and the brush. I actually really like this brush, but the foundation, though it's good, the actual stick is like this big and it falls out a lot. So I just like to spot conceal with this and a little bit under my eyes. So yeah, I was coughing worse. I was now like fighting to even take one little breath. And so I went back to urgent care multiple times. Everyone was like, haha, we don't know what's wrong with you. So I got sent to a specialist to get some lung function tests. And it turns out I had like really severe asthma. I got x-rays and CAT scans and all types of things just to see if anything else was going on, and they found nothing. So they give me this inhaler. I take the inhaler as I'm supposed to, and the cough, it just keeps getting worse to the point where I'm coughing up blood. I went to my ENT, and it turns out that I basically didn't really have sinuses. And whatever was there was blocked by a ton of tissue. My sinuses were not functional. I also had a severe deviated septum. So basically what this means is that all of my mucus was draining into my lungs instead of being like broken down by my sinuses, I guess. So the solution was to get surgery to fix my deviated septum and to reconstruct my sinuses, fix my nasal turbinates, remove all that extra tissue and blockage within like my entire face. Long story short, got the surgery in January on my winter break, and it's been a minute since. It was really hard. It was a really rough time. I'm still kind of in the recovery process. I'm going to be recovering for about 6 months. But overall, I'm doing so much better. I'm no longer coughing. Thank you guys so much for all of your patience and support towards me these past few weeks, especially on Instagram. You guys have been incredible, and I'm so incredibly thankful. Next, I'm using the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in Baked. I like the small ones because it's easier to kind of fit them in the contours of your face. I'm using the Fenty brush to blend this out. That's my surgery situation. If you guys want like a full in-depth story time on everything, I can totally do that. I am, you know, back in FIT, started the cosmetics and fragrance marketing program, which is going really well. Next, I'm using this Merit highlighting balm in Kava. This is probably my favorite makeup product at the moment. It is the most stunning, like, look at that. It looks so natural. There's not much pigment. It's really just this beautiful, like, glossy, do you see that? Like, beautiful glossy shine. And then for blush, I know I'm using a lot of Merit stuff, but I'm just like kind of into their products because they're very much my style. Very much like quick, easy cream products. So I'm using the Merit Cheek Color in Cheeky. And I know that like cream products don't work for everybody, but I have unmanageably dry skin. Any sort of moisture I can get, I will be gladly taking. That's kind of like my base of my makeup. I've been using this Jaclyn Hill brightening and setting palette. I really like this. I think it's a very, very underrated product. I literally just like mix them all together. I just like to set over the whole face just very lightly, and then I kind of want to take away this powdery look. So for that, I use the Hero Force Shield Supercharged Reset Mist. I love a good mist. Like, look at that glow. For eyes, I don't really do much. Sometimes I'll do like a little bit of a wing. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I think this is from e.l.f. This is the Merit lengthening mascara. It stays on really well. I feel like my face looks so dewy and like fresh. Love this. Also, look at this packaging. This is beautiful. I kind of want to add some color to my lips. I just got this, the Merit Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. Oh my gosh, I love this. Just enough pigment, definitely my type of color. I think we are done. that is my everyday, simple, fresh makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for catching up with me. Give me an update on your lives in the comments below. I'd love to get a conversation going. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I would love to kind of connect with you guys more over there. And I hope you enjoyed this fresh, dewy makeup look. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to hit 3K, guys. We are so close. Please click that subscribe button, turn those notifications on, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.